Hello guys, I hope you're alright today. This is the M Audio M Track Duo audio interface. I just got this and I would like to look at it very well with you and let's see how it goes. This is it. We're going to open it. We're going to check how it is. We're going to connect it and then we're going to try registering it. I hope this video helps you to get to be familiar with it, guys. Okay, let's go. Now this is it. Now it's out of the box. You can see how it's well packaged to prevent it from any form of scratch or destruction. That's the cable in it, and then you've got pieces, some booklets there, kind of with some useful information there. Yeah, that is it. Okay, all right. So the next thing is to see how it is outside of the nylon. Bring it out, well packaged. It's kind of plastic. Yeah, it's quite light, very portable, very portable. All right. Okay, that's the input one, input two, headphone slot, monitor button. So you can control the headphone and the monitors separately, and then you can control the inputs separately as well. You can see the input there. You can connect your guitar and as well connect your microphone there. You can see that's the 48 volts microphone. That's the studio microphone, can be connected there. You see the connection port for the headphone, and then when you want to use your phantom power microphone, you can switch to that. Then at the back of it, you see where you can connect your two monitors. And here is the USB port. This connection powers it and also sends signal to the computer. You don't need any extra power cable, just the USB cable. It will serve as the power cable and the signal cable at the same time. Okay, this is how it is. Quite cool. Now this is the cable, just the only cable that came with this device, just one cable. Like I said before, it's going to work as both power cable and the audio cable. And this device is not rechargeable. Take note of that. It's not like it's got battery inside, you recharge it and use. No, you just plug and play. When you plug it, it gets powered on, and then it also sends signal to your computer. Okay, now you connect that one, the end of that, to it, and connect this one, the USB part, to your computer. Yeah, this is it. It's connected, and these are the manuals, the booklets in it. It says register your product. Register your product. Now you type in www.maudio/software downloads. It's supposed to take you to this platform, this screenshot, this place. If it doesn't take you to this website, it might take you to something that looks different from this. I will show you that one in very soon. So when it gets here, click on create account if you've not created account before, or you click on sign in if you already have created an account before. Then it might take you to this website as well. So then if it does, go to create account if you're new, or click on sign in if you already have an account. So if you have done that, then it's going to take you to this page. If you have already created an account, to take you to this page, you click on get started. When you click on that, it's going to take you to your account where you're going to sign in. Like for me, I've already created an account, so I'm just going to click sign in, and I'm going to sign in now. It will take me to the main page. So when it gets here, it's going to take you to register a new product, and it takes you to this place, register a new product. Here is the serial number of this product behind it at the back of it. So you type it in there. When you type it in there, to give you access to download InMusic software. When you download it, you open it. There are different software here that you can download, and this software are the software that you can use to create music, do different things in music, use your audio interface efficiently. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was good for you. Please give it a like And if you don't mind, please subscribe to help grow this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, you can get the code from there if you need activation code.